Hi guys, welcome to Monday, April 27th. I hope you had a great weekend. This instructor video is just going to tell you pretty much an overview of what's going to be doing the next couple days. You're also going to have an activity which is going to be assigned, I think, on Wednesday, which is going to be due on Friday, which is an interesting activity, but we'll go over that on that day that it's assigned. But as I instructed on Friday, you should have started reading Chapter 8. It's due for tomorrow. We'll be going over the PowerPoint like usual. And this Chapter 8 will be discussing what we're going to get into for Journal Entry 5, which is listening, and also communicating with those listening skills. And so for Journal Entry 5, which is due on Monday, don't forget to add or refer to your Chapter 8, not just the videos or articles that we read when answering the questions, but also the chapters we're reading. And some of you have been forgetting that, so don't forget to refer to that. I'm sorry if you can hear my cat. She wants attention. So yeah, refer to points in it, and not just broad ones, specific, and then put that page number that you're getting that chapter reference from, okay? Because that is what the main part of the journal entry is about, is taking what you've learned from the videos and from your chapters and answering the questions with that new knowledge. So that is what is due for Monday. Please make sure you get that done. And if you have any questions, let me know. Alright, so I will see you tomorrow when we go over Chapter 8 through the PowerPoint. Alright, so that'll probably be like a 3-part video, like it usually is, so be prepared, and maybe make some popcorn, whatever you guys do to get through my 3 part videos. Alright, see you tomorrow. Bye.